So there may be some raster graphics that you want to go ahead and quickly turn into vector graphics by tracing it. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the file menu and then go to import section right here. Then choose the image that you want to go ahead and trace out. So I'm going to go around and select this particular image and click on import and click and drag this out right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So in order to go ahead and trace this, you can go around over here onto the trace section right here and then choose quick trace right here. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll analyze out this particular image right here and will turn it into vector graphics right here. So I'm using the quick trace, so the results may not be very good, but you can see that now this has been turned into a vector graphics right here. Let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z right here and then zoom in. Once you do that, you can see all the pixels right here. But as soon as I go ahead and utilize the quick trace, so if I were to go around and utilize quick trace from over here, or you can go around onto the bitmap section and then choose quick trace from over here as well, then what happens is that those pixels will be turned into a vector graphics, and you can zoom in as much as you can right here. So you can see that they turn into vector graphics right here now, and although you lose detail, you have a vector graphics now which resembles the raster graphics that we initially added in. So if you want to quickly go ahead and then trace it out, then this is what you have. And you can see that this comes up as a separate graphics right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around over here and then bring this out right here. You can see that this is the original graphics and this is the traced graphics right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the quick tracing a method for raster graphics to turn it into vector inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.